Alright guys, well welcome back and just letting you guys know today is the third day of our trip out of 6 days. So that's just half, guys. And by the way, I still haven't posted the videos about the other ones yet, but I will soon. So yeah guys, stay tuned. 係啦，用返中文翻譯啦。就係簡單啲嚟講，我今日已經係第3日嚟到長沙啦。我哋總共係嚟6日嘅。我今朝啱啱食完早餐啦。我哋陣間就會再去玩啦。我尋日啲片都仲未擺上去，我會夜晚盡力去做埋佢嘅，或者晏晝陣間有時間嘅時候我就搞掂埋佢，順便擺埋上去，俾你哋可以全部人都可以睇到。係啦，主要係咁啦。See you guys next time， 下次見啦，陣間見啦。See you later， goodbye，拜拜。